Welcome everyone for the case study discussion on the topic role of power amplifiers in wireless communication system. So what is the need for power amplifiers? So in order to transmit the signal to long distance, we need to amplify the signal at the transmitter side. So we have multiple stages of amplifiers like voltage amplifiers and power amplifier. So at the initial stage, voltage amplifiers gives the amplified output, and we need to amplify the power level of the signal. We need to increase the power level of the signal at the power amplifier, so that will be given to the transmitter antenna. So this is the need for power amplifiers. So for wireless communication systems like cellular communication up to satellite communication, we need the high power output for the signal transmission. So this ensures the need of power amplifiers in all the devices. So we are going to discuss about this topic in detail.
So the problem statement is that modern wireless networks like 4G, LTE, and 5G require high linearity amplifiers. But however, these amplifiers shows a lot of variations, and it's not only increases the high power consumption and heat generation, but also reduces the efficiency. So we need to make amplifiers. So it is a challenge for us to make an amplifier with high efficiency for giving a greater output.
So theoretical analysis of the role of power amplifier in wireless communication system. The performance of the power amplifier can be characterized by the parameters, the gain, efficiency, linearity, power added amplifier. Designers used class A, class AB, class C amplifiers to in analog communication system, class D, E, F amplifiers to digital communication system. Techniques like local tracking, digital pre-distortion, and full load analyzers are used to improve the wireless communication system.
So the advancement in PA technologies are said to be, which is first thing is theoretical and experimental researches has led to the development of gallium nitride and lateral diffused MOSFET like LDMOS transistor, which exhibits our external higher potential density and thermal stability, which is compared to traditional silicon-based devices. And next is these technologies have enabled the amplifier to operate in efficiently with higher frequency with reduced distortion. Moreover, the integration of smart bias control circuits, which allows to ensure the varying performance of the loads.
Next is the integrations with modern wireless systems. In 5G and emergency communication systems, the power amplifiers must handle a wide bandwidth and operate at a multimeter wave frequencies. And next is a theoretical model shows that distributed power amplifiers, and next is a diohedral amplifiers can achieve high efficiency even in the backup conditions. And additionally, AI assisted modeling is being explored to be dynamically tune amplifier parameters for real-time optimizations of power consumption and signal integrity.
So when we get into energy and the environmental considerations, as global wireless network expand, the consumption of power by power amplifiers has become a concern to the environment. So it says that up to 60 percentage of the energy in cellular stations are used by the power amplifiers. So the now researchers now focus on making green amplifiers with low carbon operation in order to make more sustainable and energy efficient amplifiers. So this transition led a creative and a new path in technology to make power amplifiers with high efficiency and low power consumption.
The study reveals that the class AB amplifiers were used in base stations due to the comparison between the efficiency and linearity, while the class E by F amplifiers are preferred for high frequency terminators. The theoretical modeling indicates that the adaptive biasing and the feedback that can improve the power efficiency up to 20 to 25% without significant distortion.
Thank you all for discussing your ideas on this topic. So we can conclude that power amplifiers are best choice for the wireless communication system from mobile phones and also all the radio transmitters. So because it provides high efficient power output and also it can be used for low power consumption. So by implementing the gallium nitride based transistor and also filters at the output of the amplifier, we can minimize the noise and distortion in the signal. Thank you.
Thank you.